Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today we will talk about Instagram and how the way you can invite someone for a chat on your Instagram account. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application. Now if you want to invite someone to have a chat with you on Instagram, you just need to make sure that you are stay in home section or in this house icon here. And right after that, you just need to take a look on this top right corner. There will be two icons on the top side here. You just need to go click the rightest one, which is the bubbles, and then you just need to go click it. So if you want to invite someone to have a chat with you, you just need to go create the new, or you can just search the name of the account and you just need to pick one of them. And if you want to invite, you will just need to type on this message and just type what do you want to say, and then you just need to go click send. And now you just need to wait until the account that you want to chat accepted your request to have a chat with them. So once the account accept you to, or accepted to receive the chat from you, then you can continue the conversations on Instagram. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy a lot for this tutorial, and let's meet again into other tutorial.